Today we're going to troubleshoot printing ETC cable markers on an EOS 2 printer. There are occasions where you may experience some poor print quality on the markers. This is not necessarily bad product, it's not necessarily anything that the operator is doing wrong in terms of the product, the ribbon or the software settings. It can be a printer issue. Through time the head may require additional springs to make sure that we're applying enough head pressure to the product to ensure good print quality. This is resolved by something as simple as a small 15mm compression spring. Just going to show you how to open the head. So we open the print head like so. This is the print head housing. The print head is within here. I'm just going to remove the product. We're going to ensure that the printer is switched off with no power at this time. To remove the head, we're going to use an upward motion and pull the head forward, and the head is going to drop down outside its housing. So that's up and forward, and the head is dropped down. As you can see, the printer is supplied with 2 springs at the moment, and we are simply going to push 2 additional springs, one on either side, into place in the printer, like so, and then use the reverse action of up and back to get the print head back into place. Your print head is now installed, and we should now experience good print quality like you see in the markers in front of the printer.